Hello, how you doing today? This is John Heath with Alpha Tech. Hey, I just wanted to send a shout out to one of our partners in access control, BRIVO. We got this new device in and I wanted to unbox it for the first time and show you a little bit about it. So let me bring it over, we'll look at it. Something new that they just came out with, they've never had before, that I think is kind of cool, it's fantastic. And I'm glad to be one of the partners, the first one that got one of these. So let's see what we got here. So let me go ahead and grab my handy dandy opener. Can't use a knife for none, we don't want to ruin it. Want to send a shout out there to Auto Call. Thank you, sir, for this nice screwdriver. We can get this, go ahead and get opened up and check out this box for the very first time, see what's in here. So as I open it up, it's the new ACS100 single door reader controller all in one. It's an on the edge device. So that's kind of cool. Before you always had to put something above the door and this and that. Now with this on the edge device, you run one Cat 6 Plus over to the reader, PoE style, everything's seamless right then and there. So no blow, Mullen tile start reader, Cat 6 right here, plug it in, and it looks like there's a little pigtail. So I guess you take this little pigtail, tie it in right there. You got multiple different wires, and right back here it will show you got your 12 volts for your lock. You got your racks, your DPS, you got an auxiliary. Man, you got everything right here in a little bitty reader. You don't have nothing else to worry about. Put this bad boy right on there. Man, they're making it too simple. So I want to say thank you to BRIVO for letting us check this thing out. We're going to power it up, see what we got, but I just want to show you a quick unboxing.